Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will be seeing like how we can run our Java programs in VS Code. So I have already shown you a video where we know like how we can install and configure VS Code in our macOS machine and both Windows machine. And I have already showed you how we can install and configure Java JDK on Windows, setting up the environment variables and then running the JDK on console. And same in macOS machines, I have shown you like how we can configure it on Z shell and bash shell both. Okay, so you can also watch those video. I'll be also providing you the video URL above this box. And so let's start this video. And first we will be opening our VS Code to run our Java program in VS Code. Okay, let's open our VS Code. Okay, Visual Studio. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I have opened my Visual Studio Code. So I'll be going up to this option extension and I'll be installing one extension. Okay, so I'll be installing this extension pack for Java provided by Microsoft. So we can install this extension pack. Need to install this extension pack. So I'll be installing this. It will probably take few seconds. So this is extension pack, basically contains all these 6 section IntelliCode, language support for Java, and debugger for Java is there, Maven is there, test runner is there for running JUnit and test ng test cases, project manager is there. Okay, so we have installed this extension.
Okay, so we have installed this extension pack for Java, and now we are going to open our Java project in the Visual Studio Code, and then we can create our project. Okay, so let me open my folder or workspace for that. And downloads, I'm just going for this Java project, and here I'll be creating a new file. I will be naming as first Java demo.java public class first Java demo, and main method public static void main string arguments, and here system.out.println, and hello world. Okay, so we have created just a small program. Now I'll be testing it out on Visual Studio Code whether it will run or not. Okay, so we can see the system.out.println line hello world has been printed over the terminal console, and we can see that we can run our Java project also on Visual Studio Code. So that's it for today, guys. In next video I'll be showing how we can run applet programs on Visual Studio Code. So that's it. Thank you, guys.